Mounting the display antenna. Mounting the monitor base. The display can be fixed in the car with a 3M sticker. Install another bracket. Loosen the screw. Tighten the screws. Mounting brackets. Adjust the bracket angle. Adjust this angle to allow the bracket to be attached to the windshield. Test product. Plug to plug. Connect the power cord. Adjust camera angle. Tighten the screws to fix the camera angle. Red wire is positive wire. Black wire is ground, negative wire. Connect cigarette lighter. Plug to cigarette lighter and turn on the red switch. Image appears. Red wire is positive wire. Black wire is ground, negative wire. Display image appears. Red clip is recommended to protect car lamp wiring. The process of connecting the camera to the lamp line. T-taps. T-taps has 2 holes and 1 hole is closed. The long line is the line of the lamp or the circuit line on the car. Thrust the car light line into the first hole. Camera power cord. Plug the power cord into the second hole. Iron sheets. Clamp the iron sheet to the tap's bottom. The interface on the camera line is removable. There are 5 buttons on the back of the monitor. Press M button to switch adjustment mode. Use the plus or minus buttons to adjust data. Press M button to switch. Use the plus or minus buttons to adjust data. Adjust to off to turn off guideline. Adjust to on to turn on guideline. The 4th button is the image flip button. Click the button to flip the image. The 5th button is the power button. Turn off the power of the camera. Display screen disappears. Guideline can only be turned off by turning off the display or by adjusting it in the menu. Installation location of camera. Select the appropriate location for installation. Fix the camera on the license plate with 3M. Choose the right height to paste the camera.